Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to pop in and tell you about some great deals happening on some of my favorite resources for self publishers. If you're someone who creates KDP books or, like activity books, journals, planners, those sorts of things. I wanted to pop in and show you some deals, and I've added it to my Black Friday deal page, and you can find it at prettycutepress.com/BFD 2024. I'll be sure to include the link in the video description as well. Okay, and I've added 5 different deals here for you to look at. And the first one is the PowerPoint add-in bundle. And I've showed you in a previous video before of how I've used this tool. Um, and it's from Bowles Publishing, which I am an affiliate, which means that if you make a purchase, I may earn a commission at no additional charge to you. But these are all resources that I use from people that I've purchased from in the past. Okay, so let's take a look at the PowerPoint add-in here from Luke Bowles, this bundle. And these bundles from Bowles Publishing are available through Monday. So you want to be sure to, if you're interested in these, to hop on them. So the Black Friday deal for the PowerPoint bundle includes the puzzle generator, lifetime access. It includes the mega pack, which gives you tools for creating planners, journals, and calendars, all sorts of things. It includes the bulk image importer, and it has add-ins for ultimate find and replace, um, transparent PowerPoint to transparent PNG, bulk export slides as PNG, and it also has templates included in here as well. And you get the lifetime of the puzzle generator 2.0 as well. And this is a limited time bundle, and it's not always available. And you'll see that it's currently at 60 pounds, which would be a little bit more expensive in US dollars. But again, it's a great deal to get all of this in one. I've showed in the past how I've used the puzzle generator to create different types of puzzles and things right inside of PowerPoint. And it is one of the first purchases I made when I started creating low content books. And it is still one of the best purchases and my favorite things to use throughout. Okay, he also has a word search bundle. Okay, and that is actually something that is quite useful. On this one, you get the word search generator is included, and you get the word list generator. So in the word list generator, you can go in and you can it'll generate list of words for you to include in your word search for you. This word search generator, it is allows you to do custom word searches, and you'll see I already have this content. So as I say, it's something that I have bought and purchased myself and use. One unique thing about this one, this is actually an online generator. So once you get it, you get login access and you can create your word search puzzles. It's a little bit different from the one that I showed in my video where I did it right inside of PowerPoint itself. Okay, and he does have videos on the on each of the pages, and you'll see here this is showing 50 pounds just by itself, whereas this Black Friday deal is 40 pounds, and again it'll be slightly higher when it's converted to US dollar amount, but that is a great deal. And he also has the Mega Pack bundle, and in the Mega Pack bundle, you're getting it's at 20 pounds. And again, it will be a little bit higher when you convert it to US dollars. It includes the Mega Pack creation tools and you get this mega pack of templates. And in the mega pack creation tools, this one you don't use it in PowerPoint. So if you're someone who don't like PowerPoint, you use Canva or something else, you can use this on your computer directly, and it has some of the same features as it has the exact same features as a PowerPoint tool, which I have this desktop version, but I just like working in PowerPoint. So I basically use the PowerPoint version. But you'll go here and you'll see that it gives you the ability to do all of these things here. And and you can read all about that here. And like I say, I have the mega pack and all of this. Actually, I purchased his everything bundle, I think a few years ago. And so I have just about everything that Bow's Publishing has created. So again, these deals here from Bow's Publishing are great tools to have in your toolbox. And one of the great things about these is that they are commercial use friendly, which means not only can you create for your personal use, but whatever you create, you can sell. So which makes it a great one-time investment. And so you want to check out this deal if you're into creating planners, journals, or activity books or things like that. It does go off on Monday. And let's see, talked about that. Oh, he also has a pixel bundle, which includes the nonogram generator, and the pixel color by number generator. And these are one-time purchases, and that's available is a part of his Black Friday deal as well. The other thing that tool that I wanted to bring your attention to was the bingo generator. And the bingo generator is another add-in for PowerPoint. And it is by Bearwood Labs. And as you can see, I own this, and it allows you to easily generate bingo cards and games right inside of PowerPoint. And on his Black Friday deal, you can get this for 30% off when you use coupon code SALE24. Okay, so this is one of my favorite tools for bingo, and I'll show you one of the bingo cards here, and he does have some videos that you can watch on the sales page as well. And you can create different size bingo cards, and it just quickly generates a number of bingo cards. And you can again, this is something that has commercial use as well. You can use it personally, but you can also sell what you create, and that's another one of my favorite tools. And then the last thing that I've added on here is a 12 days of Christmas deals, and this is being hosted by Michelle Brubaker, and she is a prolific low content publisher. And from December 1st through December 12th, she's going to be having a different daily deal. And so if you go there and go to her site, and at 9 a.m. each day, from the 1st to the 12th, she's going to be unwrapping a new deal. And you see today's deal is going to be out in at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so you'll have each day will come up with a new deal. So you want to check that out. And I'm going to try to show you. Hi, so I wanted to show you a look at the bingo generator that I had mentioned. So this is a freebie that I created for those on my email list. Um, last month. It's a fall reading bingo. So what I basically did was created a table by going to my add-ins on my PowerPoint tool, and I inserted a template. I chose a 5x5, and then I inputted in the options that I wanted to include on my card, and I designed my header and everything. Now, if I wanted this to generate multiple bingo cards using this particular tool, then what I could do is, since I have it set up, then I could go here to the generate bingo cards and tell it how many of them that I want, and tell it to keep the center for the free space, and click OK. And it's gonna go to work. And you see over here to the side, it's generating. So in just a few minutes, it will have created me 10 new bingo cards. And over here, you'll see that I have new versions of those cards. So each card will have all the different options on them, but they're going to show up in different spots on the card. So again, this is one of my favorite tools, and I've utilized it to create several different types of bingo. Like if you take a look here at my TPT store, you see I have a couple different bingo options available. They're themed differently, like there's a holiday, there's Mardi Gras, there's Valentine's, there's winter. It's another holiday one that was a road trip one, and then that's a Mother's Day bingo. Then in my Etsy shop, I have a couple bingos. Now this is a graduation saying bingo, and this is a family reunion bingo. Now this is not used with this tool. I do have a Canva frame template that allows you to create your own custom bingo sheet by adding in your own images and things like that. And then I have a bingo generator, which doesn't use this tool. This is actually using a spreadsheet where you can put in your custom sayings and things like that and generate the number of cards that you like for your bingo. So that is in my Etsy shop, and it is prettycutepress.etsy.com. And like I say, I just wanted to show you a quick look at that bingo generator and show you that you can use this as a one-time purchase, and you can use it, like I say, over and over again. You can swap out your topics, your wordings, and all of that, and in just a few seconds you can generate as many bingo cards as you need for your party, for your event, for your holidays, or whatever. So again, that is the bingo generator from Bearwood Labs, and it is currently on, you can get it 30% off when you use coupon code SALE24. I will have the link where you can quickly access these um, in the description, but it's prettycutepress.com/black/slash BFD 2024. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these resources as much as I have, and good luck in your publishing journey, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.